Okay, that's too rehearsed. Just spray the stuff.
You gotta show the try moisture.
You don't have. All right, ladies, we're still in the process of my walkthrough, your walkthrough with me. And gentlemen, if you're looking to this can be for you. We're definitely gonna try to get the guys to do Try Moisture as well. My significant other does it. As you saw just a little bit ago, she sprayed my hair, and she'll probably do a couple more sprays because I absolutely love the product. I take the time out when I can to just meet people on the street and tell them about it. It's absolutely wonderful. You have got to get this stuff. Doing a little trimming, I'm sure. It's about that time. Ladies, and it's kind of hot, so we're just really finding out that the dryness here, I need to be doing a little bit more Try Moisture because of the intense heat of the sun, the ultraviolet rays, etc., etc. So Try Moisture is great in extreme weather as well.
Combing at you.
Because I really got something to say to you.